Ciao ragazzi! Today we're going to learn 6 ways to say hello in Italian and how to use them correctly every time. So let's start with the first one, which is the most known from the Italian language, and that's ciao. I know everyone knows ciao, probably, but not everyone uses this correctly. The key thing you want to know about ciao is that ciao is very, very informal. So do not use these in formal contexts. Use these only with family and friends. Most people overuse ciao. They just use ciao, but that's not correct. We Italians use ciao only with people we are very familiar with. If you use ciao with people you don't know or with older people, you may risk sounding rude. So, first takeaway, don't overuse ciao. So, what else can you use? Well, we have several different ways to say hello, and let's see how to use them correctly for each situation. The second one I want to teach you is salve. Salve. Salve is quite the opposite of ciao. It also means hello, but it is very formal. So you can use salve with strangers or in any formal situations. Like, for example, when you go to the doctor, when you go to a shop for the first time. So essentially, when you are talking with people you do not know, you're not familiar with. So remember, salve. Okay, we have more ways. So another very common one is buongiorno. Buongiorno. Buongiorno is always good. So it's neither too informal nor too formal. It's actually very polite and kind because it's the equivalent of saying good morning in English. The difference is that we just say good day. So buongiorno is a nice way to greet someone, showing some kindness, and that's very nice. Notice that we never say buona mattina. So we do not say good morning, literally. We literally say good day. Buongiorno. Another one you can use, that's the equivalent of buongiorno, but for the rest of the day, is buonasera. Well, we use this for after, technically it should be used after noon, but in reality we use this for the evening and the night. So, buonasera. As buongiorno, this is always good. It's always very kind and very polite. Okay, another one that's not much heard that much nowadays, but I do love it. So you can use it too. It's buondì. Oops. Buondì. Now, buondì, as I was saying, is a little bit of an oldie, but very cute for me, at least. And it's another way of saying buongiorno. In fact, it actually means good day, but uses the word di. The word di, just the 2 letters in this word, means day, and it's even more specific than giorno, because giorno technically means the whole day. The whole 24 hours, so day as in portion of the week, the month, and the year. Instead, di is more specific. It means the part of the day that has the sun, where the sun is up. So it's the direct opposite of night, notte. So technically, when you use buondì, it's another way of saying good day. And yes, I do like it very much. I use it very often. Buondì. And finally, we have one that's very, very informal, and that's 𝗓𝗏. 𝗓𝗏. 𝗓𝗏 is very, very informal. Could be a little bit more appropriate for younger people, but even if you are a grown up and an adult, you can use this as long as you use this with family and friends. It's very, very informal. It's slightly more informal than ciao. But it's very nice. 𝗓𝗏. As with all words that have the stress on the last vowel, remember to pronounce that accent, that stress. 𝗓𝗏. And there you have it. So guys, these are 6 different ways to say hello in Italian and how to use them correctly for every situation. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you will start using all of them whenever you need them. Buona giornata e a presto. Ciao da Valentina.